Top 10 Auto Repair in Dallas. 1. Motor City Auto Repair, 4.9 618 reviews, Ervay Street. 2. Texas Auto Repair and Tire, 4.9 585 reviews, Sunnyvale Street. 3. Park Cities Auto Care, 4.9 339 reviews, Lemmon Avenue. 4. Asher Auto Care, 4.9 308 reviews, Inwood Road. 5. DTX Automotive, 4.9 284 reviews, Redfield Street. 6. Fuentes Auto Repair, 4.9 222 reviews, Jefferson Blvd Suit 106. 7. Advanced Auto Repair Services, 4.9 107 reviews, Floyd CIR. 8. Mobile Auto Repair Pros of Dallas, 4.9 76 reviews, North Fitzhugh Avenue. 9. Southwest Auto, 4.8 859 reviews, Mathis Avenue. 10. Redfield Auto, 4.8 646 reviews, Denton DR.